Revenge isn't justice, it's hunger. And when it's fed, it doesn't stop. It just gets quieter. I thought killing would fill the hole, the one he caved in me years ago. I told myself he deserved it, every drop. But what they don't tell you is, revenge doesn't give back what was taken. It just makes you into something else. I became the thing I hunted, and I don't know what that makes me now. He's gone. But I'm still bleeding.